Hi friends, in this video I am going to charge this Samsung Galaxy S25 using iPhone charger. So here I am using Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So that means this Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus support up to 45 watts charging. So this is a charger of iPhone. See, this is a USB PD charger. It's a fast charger. Here you can see the output voltage is varying from 5 volt to 9 volt. If we connect this charger to a device and that device supports fast charging, then this charger will try to charge that device using 9 volt output. If connected device does not support fast charging, then this charger will try to charge that device using 5 volt. That is why we are seeing varying output voltage here. That is the technology. When we connect charger to a mobile phone, charger and mobile phone exchange capability. Based on that, charger will adjust the output voltage. Here you can see many chargers. Using all these chargers, we can charge Samsung Galaxy S25. But if you need fast charging, you have to use fast PD charger like this. If you connect normal charger, you would be able to charge the Samsung Galaxy S25, but that will take time. As you know, Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus support up to 45 watts charging. If you connect charger which support above 45 watts, you don't need to worry. It won't damage your phone. Charger will identify the capability of the phone. Based on that, charger will adjust the output. Mobile phone also has circuits to protect high voltage charging, so you don't need to worry. Here I am going to charge this Samsung Galaxy S25 using this iPhone charger. Let me connect. Let me switch on. See, it's charging. See, here you can see the symbol, it's charging. It's already 82% charged. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.